Hi everyone, today we are presenting a presentation that is agriculture and crop production in Telangana.
Group member of our presentation are as following: Rakhi Sharma, Suhani Rajora, Akshit Sharma, Drishti Nathani, Jia Datta, and Pranjal Saini. Our project is submitted to our maths teacher Amandeep ma'am.
About Telangana, it is a state in India situated on south-central stretch of Indian peninsula on the high Deccan Plateau. Its geographical area is 43,273 square miles and 35,193,978 residents as per the 2011 census. On 2nd June 2014, the area was separated from northwestern part of Andhra Pradesh and the newly formed state with the Hyderabad as its capital.
Use of mathematics in agriculture. Mathematics plays a very important role in agriculture and is vital to all the farmers alike. Some examples of the application of mathematics in agriculture are maths in soil analysis, calculation of various fertilizer content, conversion of units, and plots of various sizes and shapes.
Important crops of Telangana. In Telangana, rice has 20 lakh acres of area and 66.22 lakh tons of production. Maize has 7.52 lakh acres of area and 35.25 lakh tons of production. Soybean has 2.42 lakh acres of area and 3.9 lakh tons of production. Cotton has 17.13 lakh acres of area and 42.65 lakh tons of production. Chilies has 0.79 lakh acres of area and 2.8 lakh tons of production. Turmeric has 0.52 lakh acres of area and 2.52 lakh tons of production.
Area productivity and production of paddy. The production in 2014 to 15 was 45.45 lakh tons and area cultivated was 14.15 lakh hectare. Production in 2015 to 16 was 30.47 lakh tons and area cultivated was 10.46 lakh hectare. Production in 2016 to 17 was 60 lakh tons and area cultivated was 8.65 lakh hectare. 23.50 lakh tons was procured by the government and area cultivated was 10 lakh hectare in year 2017 to 2018. 77.50 lakh tons was procured by the government and area cultivated was 18.35 lakh hectare in year 2018 to 2019.
Graph shows the production of paddy crop in Telangana between the year 2014 to 2019. The production was highest between 2018 to 2019 and lowest between 2017 to 2018.
This pie chart represents the crop production of paddy crop in Telangana from year 2014 to 2019. As we all can see, during the year 2014 to 15 the production was only 19% and during the year of 2015 to 2016 it dropped down to only 13%. During the year of 2016 to 2017 the production again increased to 25% and during the year 2017 to 18 it dropped down to 10% only, but in the year 2018 to 2019 it's shown a significant improvement. It represented the production of paddy 33%.
Central tendency of production of paddy from 2014 to 19 is given in the following table. The table consists of production, class marks, FIXI, that is the product of production, and class marks, and the table also consists of the cumulative frequency. Now, after applying all the formulas, mode comes out to be 18.41, mean comes out to be 16.7, and median also comes out to be 16.7.
These are the important links from which we have extracted all our information for this project.
Now we come to the end of our presentation. Thank you all for being here.